oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh, oh. La da.
Me like it every time you wake up.
அழகாக இருக்கட்டும் கிறிஸ்மஸ்ஸு
ஹாப்பி கிறிஸ்மஸ்.
கிறிஸ்மஸ் அதனால் டெக்கரேஷன் பண்ண போகிறோம்.
Appa, where'd you get these ones from?
எல்லாம் இப்போ தான் ட்ரீ எல்லாம் ஸ்டேட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்கோம். இன்னைக்கு வந்து விடிஞ்சா கிறிஸ்மஸ். எப்படி இருக்கு பாருங்க.
கிறிஸ்மஸ் அதனால அலங்காரம் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம்.
லைட்டை போட்டுடுறோம். ஆமாம், நைட்டு சர்ச்சுக்கு போவோம்.
ஓ ஏங்கண்ணா கையில் மாட்டிக்காதா? சூப்பர்.
Papa, I can help Papa eat that, and so I can help Tata.
ஓகே, அது நல்ல ஐடியா.
So you're helping Tata, I'm helping Papa eat. Papa here.
ஓ இது கண்ணா சூப்பர். அது பெருசுக்கு சாமி இதுக்கு கையில் இதுக்கு ஒரு பாப்பாவோட மஸ்குட் அடியே தங்கமே.
So here.
Give it to Tata.
I'm doing the tiny one. So tiny one.
பிரின்ஸ்.
Wow, so today is Christmas Eve. Yes, you need to be participating, otherwise you're not getting your presents. I'm not lying to you. Merry Christmas to you and your family out there. As you guys can see, Apai, Tata, and Kyle, everyone is doing amazing job. This is really beautiful. Really nice. Nalarka.
சூப்பர்.
Rumba Nalarka. Thank you so much for doing this. This is the first Christmas with everybody like celebrating Christmas with uncle and auntie. Kyle is enjoying. This is really great Christmas. I'm literally working on the present right now, so I'm gonna go wrap the present, and the plan is to open the present tonight. So stay tuned for that.
If I spend it with you, just you and nobody else. It's so good to see.
கீழே மாற்று. Yeah.
It's just gonna be me. Hanging by the fire chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
We're going to open after coming back from church, right?
Yes, baby. And I've been trying to create some cute ribbon here to look good on Christmas tree.
This is me 2013 and my wife 2013. Her clothes still fits,
Right.
and my clothes is not even, my hand is not even fitting. Wow, it is very
It came out
pretty.
really good, so I'm still working on another
Okay,
ribbon.
let me see here how it looks.
It's right here. You like it?
Wow.
It looks good. Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah.
I feel like I like it.
Oh, look at the presents. Nice looking.
The present. This is gonna be a huge surprise, guys. Everything looks so good so far.
Wait, who is here? Tan. Present yourself, Kyle. Hello, yeah, Pere. Kyle.
Hello, Emperor. Hi, Kyle.
Say, Kyle.
Emperor na.
One parent na. Em pere? Kyle.
Kyle. Lulu.
Can't I come to the town?
Hi. Did you shower today?
No. Yes.
Let me come in. Come on.
Mommy,
Come.
Mommy, you can just take it. Mommy, you can just take the try one.
Ooh, she smells good. She did shower today. Ooh, she smells really good. You showered today? You did? Oh my finish.
Mommy, I have a surprise. Look, I have a good idea.
Lulu is so happy. Say hi. Say hi to everyone out there. Hello. Say
Lulu.
hello.
Lulu. Lulu. Look here. Give it. Lulu.
She's so hyper. Look.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Everyone.
So we just got back from church. Everything went beautifully nice. The church was really good. How did you guys like the church? Really good.
Very good.
So now it's time to open the presents. Right now it's 2 o'clock in the morning. As you guys can see, there's so much energy here. Kayela is jumping around. Everybody's like they can't wait to have their present.
Yeah,
First, I just wanted to say we are so excited. We are happy to celebrate this Christmas with uncle and auntie here in the United States. And also, we just wanted to say thank you so much for watching our videos. This has been a long journey for us to have them here, to enjoy this Christmas and to celebrate this 2023 with all of us here. This is a huge blessing. I don't know if you want to say that in Tamil.
Yeah. எல்லாத்துக்கும் வந்து இனிய கிறிஸ்மஸ் நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். ஆமா.
கிறிஸ்மஸ் நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். எல்லாருக்கும் கிறிஸ்மஸ் நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
ஆமா, இப்போ வந்து இப்போதான் சர்ச்சுக்கு போயிட்டு வந்தோம். ஸோ நாங்கள் வந்து இப்போ கிஃப்ட்லாம் ஓப்பன் பண்ண போகிறோம். அதான் வந்து ஒய்ஃப் எல்லாம் சொல்கிறாங்க. அப்புறம் எங்கள் அப்பா அம்மா வந்து அமெரிக்காவில் இருக்காங்க. அவங்களுக்கு ஃபஸ்ட்டு கிறிஸ்மஸ். ஸோ அதை வந்து இங்கே எல்லாமே வந்து செலிப்ரேட் பண்ணுறோம். So Kyle, you guys ready to open the gift?
Yes, we are
ready to open the presents?
Yes. And
Okay.
the first person goes to Kyle. Yes, open. Kyle, here's another one. Yeah, open.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
I always wanted this money.
Oh, let's show here. What is that? You always wanted to someone and you don't know. Oh, okay.
Okay, so the next one is Chalian. Quiet.
What is it? It's Sonic. You like it?
Okay, Chalian, another one.
Let me see. What is it?
It's a PlayStation gift card and a Legend of Zelda.
Whoa! You got a gift card.
Wait, how much is it?
What is it?
I want you to keep busy. No more internet, no more game. You gotta build that. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
So the next one is Apai. That's your present. And here, Apai, you got 2 presents.
It's a purse.
Oh!
It's a new purse.
It's a purse like Mommy.
Yeah, and what is that?
மணி பரசு
It's another purse.
எடப்பாளிசு செண்டு
நேபாளிஸுங்க.
இது
Here.
மருமக வாங்கி
This one?
கையில மட்டும் தடவிக்கிறது. கையில தடவு.
அப்படியா
Your hand. Oh, you like it?
சூப்பர்
Super good.
வளைய வாங்கியிருக்காங்க தேங்க்யூ ரொம்ப நன்றி சீப்பு சீப்பு
ஆமா இது ஹீட்டர் சீப்.
Very good. Electronic. You put in electronic?
இப்போலாம் மாமனுக்கு எதுவுமே தெரியாது, ஏதோ வாங்கி கொடுத்துருக்கீங்க, சந்தோஷம், ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம்.
That's
Oh my God. Yeah.
கெடிகார மருமகளை வாங்கி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, வாட்சி வாங்கி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இது மாதிரி மருமக உலகத்துல கிடைக்காது, தேடி போனாலும் கிடைக்காது. அமெரிக்காவில் இருக்க மருமக அப்படி வாங்கி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. சூப்பர் மருமக.
that one is
அது என்ன வெளியில ஓபன் பண்ணது.
ஹெட்போன் வாங்கி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க.
for your cell phone. No one, only you. It's easy connect for cell phone. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So,
ரொம்ப நன்றி.
yeah, bless me.
God bless you.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Yeah, open it. Open it. Open it.
My God, necklace.
Fluffy, you have the necklace like me. You have a necklace like me.
That's a gold
And what
necklace.
is another one?
There's another one.
for a gift card.
Can you guys sit down? Sit down.
Super.
Okay, so the last gift is belong to the one and only, the head of the family, the Appa. Appa, you need to come over here. Come over here. I know I choose this gift because I know you need it every night when you go to work. And I hope it fits you.
Oh my god. It is. Oh my god. Love it. It's for work.
Work jacket.
I like to wear what work. Thank you, baby. Where is yours?
Me? All here.
Heart.
Merry Christmas. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and we'll see you guys in the next.
Make sure to subscribe and like our video.
There you go.
Have a merry and blessed Christmas.
Ooh. Merry Christmas. Bye.
Merry Christmas, guys.